So another small exercise for you to make use of the prepositions in the following sentences. So we have the prepositions to, by, of, across, from, over, with, for, at, about. So these are the most common prepositions, that is to, by, of, across, from, over, with, for, at, about. So now we have to place these prepositions in its appropriate blank. So children, are you ready to start with this small exercise? The car dash the parking lot wouldn't start. So let us see which preposition takes its place. So the car from the parking lot wouldn't start. So I write the preposition from. The car from the parking lot wouldn't start. The next sentence, a stick dash bubble gum is my favorite treat. A stick with bubble gum is my favorite treat. So I write the preposition with. A stick with bubble gum is my favorite treat. The next sentence, the story is written dash my mother. So the story is about my mother. So I write the preposition about. The story is written about my mother. The next sentence, the dog ran dash its owner after being lost. So then I make use of the preposition to. The dog ran to its owner after being lost. So the preposition to is being used. The mouse ran dash the cat that was chasing it. So the mouse ran from the cat. So I make use of the preposition from. The mouse ran from the cat that was chasing it. The baseball sailed dash the tall fence. So the baseball sailed. So I make use of the preposition over. The baseball sailed over the tall fence. So I use the preposition over. The baseball sailed over the tall fence. Tim felt happy dash is pet by his side. Tim felt happy with his pet. So I write the preposition with. Tim felt happy with his pet by his side. Jim sang a song dash Betty. So Jim sang a song. I use the preposition for. Jim sang a song for Betty. Turn the light first. Turn dash the light first. So I write the preposition off. Turn off the light first. So I had another F. Turn off the light first. The next sentence is, the hot air balloon floated dash 100 feet above the ground. So the hot air balloon floated across 100 feet above the ground. So I write the preposition across. So the hot air balloon floated across, or we have the preposition over. Floated over 100 feet above the ground. She received a bicycle for a birthday. So I write the preposition for. And the next sentence is, he is very smart for a child of 5 years old. So I write the preposition of. So here we can even use the preposition across. Across or over. So we have these sentences with the prepositions. The car from the parking lot wouldn't start. A stick with bubble gum is my favorite treat. The story is written about my mother. The dog ran to its owner after being lost. The mouse ran from the cat that was chasing it. The baseball sailed over or across the tall fence. Tim felt happy with his pet by his side. Jim sang a song for Betty. Turn off the light first. The hot air balloon floated across or over 100 feet above the ground. She received a bicycle for her birthday. He is very smart for a child of 5 years old. So these are the following prepositions that are being used: from, with, about, to, from, over, across, with, for, of, across, over, for, of. So we have seen that a preposition is a word that gives a relationship between a noun or a pronoun.